Welcome to Compare to Win. The best ball that flattens is probably one of the most fascinating and entertaining toys to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of physical play and surprising visual effects that captivate both children and adults alike. This innovative toy transforms from a flat disc into a perfect sphere mid-air, only to flatten again upon landing, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that encourages active play and sparks curiosity about physics. Its simple yet ingenious design makes it incredibly fun to throw, catch, and watch, providing hours of amusement and a refreshing break from screen time. Whether you're looking for a way to get your kids moving outdoors or a quirky desk toy to add some fun to your workspace, this transforming ball promises a delightful experience unlike any other. Number 5. Flybar Pogo Trick Ball. Keep your kids moving year-round with this high-energy Pogo ball. It's perfect for indoor floors and outdoor surfaces, encouraging screen-free fun and physical movement in any weather. This balance board toy helps develop coordination, core strength, and motor skills through bouncing and jumping. It's a fun activity that keeps kids physically active and mentally focused without screens. Made with tough, kid-safe materials, it features an anti-slip textured deck to keep feet securely in place. It's built for long-lasting durability and safe use, giving kids confidence to bounce. No delays, just pump and play. It includes a convenient air pump for quick inflation, making it easy for kids to get started right away. Setup is fast for instant fun. This Pogo ball offers a fun way to reduce screen time while promoting physical activity, coordination, and balance. It's a perfect gift for active kids for any occasion. What we like? This toy encourages active play year-round, perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. It's designed to build balance, coordination, and core strength in a low-impact way. If you're looking for a way to get kids moving and reduce screen time, this is a fantastic choice for active fun. What people say. It came with a pump and a guide on how much air to put into it, which was helpful. It was ready to go in about 3 minutes. It has grippy sandpaper type of material where the feet go, which makes it easy to bounce with questionable footwear, namely house slippers. The kids jumped right on and have really enjoyed the challenge of balancing and bouncing. It's been a great way for them to work on coordination and balance in a playful way. Number 4. Aerobie Sonic Fin Football. Introducing the revolutionary Sonic Fin Football. Its innovative design and softer foam allow for incredible lift and distance, letting you throw like a pro. Experience an easier catch with its improved softer foam and fins. Adjust the fins for maximum speed and distance, making every throw a perfect spiral. Feel the power of a pro with this football, officially endorsed by Russell Wilson. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring quarterback. With its unique gyroscopic design, you can achieve throws of up to 100 yards. Challenge your friends to see who can throw the farthest. Customize your throws with adjustable fins that increase spin rate for pro-level speed. Its precise balance ensures easy, accurate spirals every time. Perfect for outdoor games for kids and adults aged 8 and up. Get ready for hours of fun competing with friends and family. What we like? Experience incredible throwing distances with its innovative gyroscopic design, capable of throws up to 100 yards. The softer foam makes catching easier, and adjustable fins allow for pro-level speed and distance. If you love outdoor games and want to challenge your throwing skills, this is the perfect toy for you. What people say. The ball makes a cool whistling sound when thrown at a certain angle and speed. The adjustable fins must be set correctly for left or right-handed throwers and adjusted depending on how hard you can throw. When it is thrown at the right angle, it flies magically level to the ground like no other ball. Number 3. Deejoy 112 Gesture Sensing RC Stunt Car. Introducing the Deejoy 112 Gesture Sensing RC Stunt Car. Get ready for an exciting new way to play with this incredible remote-controlled vehicle. Experience intuitive control like never before. Simply wear the watch, change your posture, and watch it respond to your every move. It offers sensitive control and an ultra-long range for endless adventures. Equipped with unique off-road roller traction tires, this 4WD monster truck is ready to tackle any surface. Sand, grass, dirt, or rocks, nothing can stop it. This 112 scale car performs 360 degrees rotations and double-sided driving with ease. Enjoy thrilling light and music effects for a truly spectacular visual experience. It comes with an upgraded rechargeable battery, providing 50 to 60 minutes of playtime on a 2-hour charge. Keep the fun going longer with this high-capacity power source. Looking for a creative gift? This stunt car is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's the ultimate stress relief toy and a fantastic way to bring joy to children. What we like? This stunt car offers a unique gesture-sensing remote control, allowing you to steer with hand movements. It performs amazing 360-degree flips and double-sided driving with its 4WD off-road capabilities. If you're looking for an exciting, high-tech toy with cool stunts and versatile terrain handling, this RC car is an excellent pick. What people say. My grandson loved this. Battery life was great. My son loves his new car. Has a lot of different functions and is easy to maneuver. Easy to control. Number 2. Family Zoom Sliding Ball Game. Introducing the Zoom Sliding Ball Game, perfect for family fun and active play. It's designed to bring smiles and laughter to your home. This game is not just fun, it's also a great tool for developing essential skills. It helps improve eye-hand coordination in a playful way. Recommended by occupational therapists, it's also fantastic for STEM and STEAM learning. It makes education engaging and exciting. Crafted with a durable nylon rope and strong plastic components, it's built to last. The secure grips ensure safe and comfortable play for all ages. Available in a variety of bright, assorted colors, this game adds a splash of excitement to any playtime. Get ready for hours of engaging activity. With an 84-inch rope, it's easy to set up and provides ample room for dynamic play. It's the perfect addition to your collection of family games. What we like? This game is recommended for occupational therapy and incorporates STEM learning principles. It's designed to teach eye-hand coordination while providing great fun. If you are seeking an educational toy that also promotes physical activity and skill development, this sliding Zoom ball is an ideal option. What people say. It is well made and has plenty of length, so I can shorten it to fit my son's current ability. So, if you are buying this to build core strength, upper body strength and control and coordination, this is a great buy. The Zoom ball has great therapeutic uses, from working on core strength while sitting on a ball or edge of mat, to working on upper body strength and coordination, to even working on balance while standing on the floor or on uneven surfaces. Number 1. Jumping bounce ball for kids and dogs. Introducing a toy that's more than just a ball. It's designed for endless fun for both kids and your furry friends. Watch as it flattens and pops back up with an exciting sound. You can flip it, drop it, or even toss it like a disc. Perfect for children aged 6 and up, it's great for playing catch with your dog or enjoying a game of pop and catch on your own. With its cool camouflage pattern and satisfying popping sound, it's guaranteed to capture the attention of kids and pets. Crafted from durable, thickened rubber, this toy is built to withstand hours of play, outlasting flimsy plastic toys. Packaged in a reusable design, it makes a fantastic small gift for any occasion, bringing joy to indoor and outdoor adventures. What we like? This toy offers a unique play experience where it flattens and then pops up with a sound upon impact. It can be used as a dog disc or for pop and catch games. Made from sturdy, thickened rubber, it's exceptionally durable. If you want a versatile toy for kids and pets that provides a fun surprise element and long-lasting play, this is a great choice. What people say. This jumping bounce ball is such a fun and unique toy for kids. The fact that it flattens and then pops back into shape makes it extra exciting and entertaining. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and provides great active play both indoors and outdoors. My kids love bouncing and chasing it, and it keeps them engaged for a long time. Durable, safe, and lots of fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.